My name is Terri Fredrick. My fields are professional writing and composition. The majority of my research falls into what could be called the scholarship of teaching, looking at what goes on in college classrooms and how teachers can use theory and research to improve our students' learning and what they retain about that learning. So, for example, a recent publication I wrote drew on theories first identified in engineering education to examine how we can better improve collaboration in writing classrooms. To achieve successful collaboration in the classroom, teachers need to consider how students will assert authority to one another. And when doing that, we need to consider the bind we place our students in when we ask them to assert that authority. We teach in universities that define students' success individually, and we teach on campuses that work very hard to eliminate power dynamics between students. And yet we know that successful collaboration on work projects involves appropriate, productive assertion of authority. So teachers need to develop strategies that can help them facilitate students finding ways to assert authority in relation to one another in appropriate and productive ways. More recently, my research has turned to focus on experiential education, which I identify as encompassing internships, service learning, and client-based projects in the classroom. In order for experiential education to work well, we need to consider the roles that students, faculty, and community organizers play in the service learning process. In 1977, Sherry Noley talked about the importance of bringing community organizers, community leaders into the conversations about service learning. But 30 years later, we're still not delivering that kind of research to a large extent. So my current research projects focus specifically on working with community organizers in the area around Eastern Illinois University. Recently, I completed a survey with 50 organizers to find out their perceptions on service learning and the role of Eastern and community working together to improve student teaching, but also to improve our community. Our county is small. There are only 50,000 residents in Coles County, but proportionally our needs are the same as what you might find in Chicago. So it's important that we understand how we can help to alleviate those needs. My research gives us a better understanding here at EIU of how we can work with the community to improve life for everyone here. But on a disciplinary level, I'm also able to create scholarship that looks specifically at how experiential education functions in rural communities.